My dear friends, welcome to A1 Aptitude Academy. So, in today's video, we will discuss the syllabus of Class 11th Computer Science. So, this is a term-wise syllabus. As you already know that CBSE has divided the whole syllabus in two parts, that is term 1 and term 2. So, term 1 will have objective type questions and term 2 will have descriptive type questions. So, first of all, we see the marks allocation, unit-wise marks allocation. So, first unit is computer system and organization, so for which we have 10 marks here. Directly mentioned, we have 10 marks. Then next unit is computational thinking and programming, part 1. Computational thinking and programming, part 1, for which we have 45 marks, 45 marks in total. Then in unit number 3, society, law and ethics, for which we have 15 marks. So this is the distribution of 70 marks in 3 units. Now we will discuss the term wise allocation of marks. So for term wise allocation of marks, we will see this is a table for term wise allocation of marks. These are the marks of term 1 and these are marks of term 2. So in term 1 you will have 10 marks for unit 1, okay, and unit 1 will not have any weightage in term 2, okay. So term 1, unit number 1 will come only in term 1, okay. Then unit number 2, so unit number 2 has been divided in both the terms, so 25 marks for term 1 and 20 marks for term 2. So syllabus of unit 1 has been divided, or you can say cut into parts, term 1 and term 2. So first part 25 marks, second part 20 marks, okay. Then unit number 3, you will find this unit only in term 2, not in term 1. So 15 marks in term 2. That is clear. So this is the distribution of marks for term 1 and term 2. Now our problem is, we will see that how unit number 2 has been divided in two categories. So this is unit number 2 and this is the syllabus of term 1. So this is the syllabus of term 1, okay. So for term 1, unit number 2 has been divided in two parts. So this is the syllabus of term 1. Now we will see the syllabus of term 2. So this is the syllabus of term 2 and it starts with unit number 2. Rest of the portion of unit number 2. So you can say first half of the unit or unit number 2 has been categorized in term 1 and this second half has been categorized in term 2, okay. So this half is from term 2 and unit number 3, this whole unit comes in term 2 only. So this was the distribution of the whole syllabus in two terms, that is term 1 and term 2. I hope you will find the video useful for your preparation. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for such informative videos. We will suggest that you please see our Hindi video also. In Hindi video, we have discussed the whole syllabus in detail. Each and every term of the syllabus has been discussed there. You will find the video useful even if you don't know Hindi, because we have used both Hindi and English in that video, okay. And this video was prepared only for English speaking people or people who can't understand Hindi, okay. So in this video we have this much material only. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.